15 ways to make a guy chase you. How can you make a man fall hard for you and convince him to chase you? How can you make him want you more? Let's get straight into it. Number 1. Become a high-value woman. Men value a woman who is strong, competent, and independent more than those who are physically attractive. You need to become the best possible version of yourself if you want to attract the most eligible men. Work hard, party harder, love your life, be kind, so that he craves your company. 2. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge him on his looks or his gifts. It's possible he presents gifts like Christian Grey and seems like the modern-day Mr. Darcy, but don't be fooled. Regardless of his wealth and charm, look deeper. Pay attention to his dedication to you. Is he choosing to spend time with you despite his busy work schedule? Is he able to remember that bit of personal information you shared? If he does, then you're one of the lucky ones. The man you are trying to attract may not think that you are worth his time and effort if you come across as a woman who is easily pleased by expensive gifts and physical appearance. That is not to say, however, that noticing someone's attractiveness isn't natural, because it is. Nevertheless, it is equally important to examine their character beyond their outer appearance. Look beyond a guy's physical charm if you want him to chase you. 3. Stay in control of your emotions. You might be tempted to give in to him too early on in the chase, especially if he is charming and persuasive. You need some time to breathe and assess his true character. Controlling your emotions is crucial here. You want to get him to chase you. So you might ask yourself, what do you do? You might have been swept off your feet and into paradise after a few dates with him. However, wouldn't it be better to become acquainted with him before embarking on a relationship? Waiting always pays off. In order to get a man to commit to you, you must make him chase you. Keep to your plan. Number 4. Don't let him use you. Despite all their intelligence, some women can be a little naive at times. They make the mistake of thinking that men only want their bodies. And they think if they give him what he desires, he will fall in love with them. The truth is, this is wrong. Men want more than just sex. In the same way as women, men seek warmth, comfort, stability, and a real connection. However, you should make sure you enjoy your bedroom activities as much as he does, so make sure your sexual interests are compatible. 5. To get him to chase you, you must stop chasing him. Between romantic dinners and late-night talks, you started chasing him. Besides constant texts, you are the one who wants to know everything about him. You prompt him about your next meetup. If you're too keen, he might start to wonder why you're so available to him. They drop the chase once you become an easy catch. It is necessary to create a push-pull factor in a relationship so that men chase you via text, so don't always respond to his texts as though you're waiting for them. Stop chasing him if you want him to make you his priority. 6. Keeping some mystery about you is always a good idea. As much as you love the stories about each other, it's still good to hold some information back. Men love solving women who seem like a mystery to them. That's when they get the thrill of chasing. Don't be a journal, be a mystery. If you keep dropping every information about you in your conversations, then by the end of every conversation he is bored to death. But keep things unsaid and let him find out. See how he falls for you. 7. Make him crave your attention. That's what male psychology is all about. If you aren't going to make the man long for you in courtship, what's the point? Give some space a try. Keep texting and meetups to a minimum. Irrespective of how busy you are or where you are, tell him you're busy. Going quiet will tell you if he is missing you or not. Have your game in place and make him worry about losing you. 8. Show him you care about him. If he talks all the time while you're distracted on your cell phone, and he fails to get your attention. If he doesn't receive any compliments from you, his feelings will start to get hurt by your insensitivity. If this is the case, in all likelihood you've overdone playing hardball with him. As long as their efforts are rewarded, men love to chase. If you want to keep him, don't forget to also show him you care. 9. Catch his eye with your beauty. Getting into the mind of a man is made easier by making a visual impression on him. Whatever your looks are, always dress your best to be presentable. Dating etiquette calls for it. You become irresistible to him when you look and smell good. He fantasizes about spending all his time with you. Naturally, he will be eager to meet you on each subsequent date. If you are irresistible to a man, he will chase after you. 10. Bring some competition into the mix. Man's instinct is to compete with other males. He will pick up on it in an instant. Give him subtle indications that someone else is also pursuing you. His challenge will be leveled up with a little healthy competition. He will do everything he can to win you over if he cares. Sit back and let him know there are other interested parties. A man will chase you if you do this. Getting him to prioritize you will be easier if you can make him worry about losing you. 11. Be flirtatious. Whilst it's important to make sure the guy is doing most of the chasing, it still can help if you flirt a little with him. Adding flirtation will only make the game more exciting. You can lead a guy to chase you forever if you are flirting with him and doing it right. You can flirt with a guy in a number of ways. It's just a matter of being sophisticated about flirting and not using too many sexual innuendos and hints to send the wrong message. Your eyes or your words can be used in flirting. Use your wit and sarcasm when texting is also a great way to flirt. 12. Let him have some space. In the initial stages of wooing a man, it's vital to maintain the right amount of space. During your dating relationship, make sure you lead separate lives. Short, sexy texts are best. Avoid being clingy when talking to him. A healthy relationship requires maintaining a sense of space. Keeping a healthy distance from a guy is all the more important if you want him to chase you. 13. Seduce him subtly if you want him to chase you. There must be something about your beauty that he complimented after a few dates. Emphasize it and seduce him with it. For example, if he likes the color red, choose a red outfit that makes him lust over you. The art of seduction is to do it subtly so that he chases you. 14. Encourage him and boost his confidence. He might experience self-doubts or lose confidence at some point. Maybe he's also going through a hard time right now. You can try to lift him up by being there for him. You will gain his respect if you give him the shoulder to cry on. A man needs to know that you will be a strong presence in his life if he is to chase you and commit to you. Make sure he knows you are able to face obstacles and won't leave him behind when times get tough. A man will chase you forever if he learns that about you. 15. It's okay to walk away. Always put your self-respect and worth before love and relationships. It's a good idea to walk away if you feel that he's not that interested in you. There's better men out there for you. I hope that someday you'll find your mystery man with the help of these little tricks and tips. My only advice is to not make him chase for too long. The chasing stage of a new relationship shouldn't take forever.